So in this video, you'll learn how to add an AI anime effect to a photo in CapCut. So the first step is to add your photo to your new project. And then once you've done that, you then want to ensure that you've actually selected it. Once it's been selected, you should see this menu appearing at the bottom of your screen. So what you want to do is simply select Effects, and then you want to tap on Style. Once you've selected Style, you should then go to the section labeled AI Painting. So from here, you should see different anime filters that are available for you to choose from. So you have JP Anime. So wait for it to be applied to the image. And once it's applied, you should see the change. So if you want to change it again, so you have different other options for you to choose from, just select them, see how they look like, and if you're happy, you can just use it. If not, you can go to the next option. So now it's up to you to decide which anime effect you would prefer to add to your image. And then once you're happy, just tap on this tick to save and apply the changes. So now as you can see, I've added my anime effect to my image. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.